Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and on this Cadillac STS we are trying to start the car and it's saying that it doesn't recognize the key fob, and that would be because the battery in our fob is dead apparently. We had to use the manual key to get into the vehicle, and you know that your battery is charged. And so the manual key you access by pressing that little indent. You press that indent and be able to pull the key out, and we use that to get in the car. But now that we're in the car, we have just the push button to start the vehicle, and it won't start the vehicle. So in this car we have the center console, which sits right here. So you're going to pop that cover and you're going to see right here, right there is a slot, and you're going to just put your key fob in there with the buttons facing toward the front of the vehicle. And now press the brake pedal in like you normally do, and it says push the button to start the car. And so that's how you would be able to start your car if your key fob battery is dead. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.